Khulumka jotono ang Sujoy Uchoi ti pramotha ni notun bazar malbasa ni candidate nor jotono Kha Kaham yaphar kok kasada musungo Phynai 12 tarik April lo jotono o chini ganatantra desot joton janjana adhikar tongo abono jotono peacefully shanti srishti khai vote diwoi jate kaisa bolai toklai ingate engke vote dibai mane porebo chini Buisu tongo Biju tongo Goria ter tongo sangrai tongo o festival season ang jotono na advance Kha Kaham yapharo jate election porebo gundugol ingate ke o festival sono kaham khai palogi manate jotono hambai khulumka. Hello everyone, this is Sujoy Uchoi, the promoter party candidate of Notun Bazar Malbasa ADC constituency, wishing you all in advance for the upcoming festivals, that is Buisu, Biju, Sangrai, Goriatea. Before that, on 12th of April, there is a very important day, which is an election of TT ADC constituency. I request everyone to go and cast your vote, and there should not be any violence. I request everyone, irrespective of any political party, that everybody has their own rights, so that they go, so that they will be allowed to cast their votes. There should not be any violence. There should be peace maintained. Soon after the election, we have festivals, so that the festivals may be celebrated peacefully without any violence. I wishes everyone once again in advance happy Buisu, happy Biju, happy Sangrai, happy Goriater. Thank you everyone.